Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into Luciano Mammino's Unbundling the JavaScript Module Bundler. This tutorial isn't about creating a full-fledged module bundler like webpack or parcel, that's a huge undertaking. Instead, it's about understanding the core concepts of module bundling by creating a simplified, focused implementation that tackles specific problems. We'll cover 1. The problem module bundlers solve * why we need them in the first place. 2. The core concepts * module resolution, dependency graph, transformation, transpilation, and bundling. 3. Simplified bundler implementation, conceptual, a step-by-step breakdown of how a minimal bundler could work using node.js and javascript. 4. Example code, node.js, a practical, if simplified, implementation focusing on module resolution and dependency graph creation. We'll use basic JavaScript and the node.js FS module. 5. Going further, optional hints about transformations, minification, and more complex scenarios. 1. The problem module bundlers solve. In the early days of JavaScript, scripts were typically loaded in HTML using multiple script tags. This led to several problems. Global namespace pollution. Every script potentially added variables and functions to the global scope. This increased the risk of naming conflicts and made code harder to reason about. Dependency management. It was difficult to manage dependencies between scripts. You had to ensure scripts were loaded in the correct order, and it was hard to track which scripts depended on which other scripts. Performance. Loading many small scripts individually resulted in multiple HTTP requests, which could significantly impact page load time. HTTP/2 alleviates this somewhat, but it doesn't eliminate the need for bundling. Modern JavaScript features. Modern JavaScript, ES modules, JSX, TypeScript, etc., isn't directly supported by older browsers. We need a way to transform this code into browser-compatible JavaScript. Module bundlers address these problems by encapsulating code using module systems, common JS, ES modules. They prevent global namespace pollution. Managing dependencies. They analyze the dependency graph of your code and ensure modules are loaded in the correct order. Optimizing performance. They bundle multiple modules into one or a few files, reducing the number of HTTP requests. Transforming code. They can transpile modern JavaScript, JSX, and TypeScript into browser-compatible JavaScript. 2. The core concepts. Here's a breakdown of the key concepts in module bundling. Module resolution. The process of finding the actual file path for a module based on its import statement. For example, given import something from /utils, the bundler needs to find the utils.js, or utils/index.js, file. This involves searching in different directories, example node_modules. Dependency graph. A data structure, usually a graph, that represents the dependencies between modules. Each node in the graph represents a module, and the edges represent the dependencies. The bundler uses the dependency graph to determine the order in which modules should be loaded and bundled. Transformation, transpilation, the process of converting code from one language or syntax to another. This is often used to transpile modern JavaScript, ES Next, to ES5 for compatibility with older browsers. It can also involve converting JSX to JavaScript or TypeScript to JavaScript. Tools like Babel and TypeScript's compiler are used for transformation. Bundling. The process of combining multiple modules into one or a few files. This reduces the number of HTTP requests and improves performance. Bundling can also involve minification, removing witty space and shortening variable names, to further reduce the file size. 3. Simplified bundler implementation, conceptual. Imagine a very basic bundler. One entry point * you provide an entry point, example src/index.js. 2 module resolution * the bundler starts with the entry point and resolves all its dependencies, using require or import statements. 3 dependency graph creation * it builds a dependency graph representing the relationship between the modules. 4 transformation, optional if needed, it transforms the code, example using Babel. 5 bundling * it concatenates the modules into a single output file, example bundle.js, ensuring they are in the correct order based on the dependency graph. This often involves wrapping each module in a function scope to prevent global namespace pollution. 4. Example code, node.js module resolution and dependency graph. This example focuses on module resolution and creating the dependency graph. It's intentionally simplified to illustrate the core concepts. Create folders src and dist with respective files. Explanation **** create module info, file path, ***. Reads the file content using fs.read file sync. ** extracts dependencies using a regular expression to find require statements. ** resolves the dependency paths using path.resolve, critical for finding modules. * returns an object containing the file path, dependencies, and content. * create dependency graph, entry point, ***. Starts with the entry point. * uses a while loop to traverse the dependency graph. * for each module, it iterates over its dependencies and creates module info objects for them if they haven't already been processed. * it avoids infinite loops by checking if a module has already been added to the graph. * handles errors during dependency resolution gracefully. * bundle, graph, *. Iterates through the dependency graph. * wraps each module's code in a function scope. * creates a simple require function to resolve module dependencies within the bundle. * concatenates the wrapped modules into a single JavaScript file. How to run it * 1. Make sure you have node.js installed. 2. Save the code as bundler.js in the root directory of your project. 3. Create the src folder with index.js and utils.js inside. 4. Create the dist folder. 5. Run the bundler, node bundler.js. 6. This will create dist/bundle.js. 7. You can then include dist/bundle.js in an HTML file and run it in a browser. Key improvements and considerations ***. Error handling ** The code now includes error handling to catch cases where a dependency cannot be resolved. This is crucial in real-world scenarios. Circular dependencies ** The code includes a check, graph dependency path, to prevent circular dependencies from causing an infinite loop. Module extensions ** The code appends .js to dependencies that don't have an extension. This is a common pattern in module resolution. Browser context ** The bundle function now wraps the modules in a self-executing function and provides a simplified require function for resolving dependencies within the bundle, making the code executable in a browser. Automatic add.js extension if not exist ** automatically add.js extension to the path. 5. Going further, optional. This is a very basic implementation. To make it more robust, you would need to add more sophisticated module resolution implement more complex module resolution algorithms, including searching in node_modules and handling different file extensions. Transformations integrate a tool like Babel to transpile modern JavaScript, JSX, and TypeScript. This would involve parsing the code and applying transformations. Minification use a tool like Cursor to minify the code and reduce its size. Code splitting split the bundle into multiple files to improve initial load time. Plugins allow users to extend the bundler with plugins for custom transformations and optimizations. Important notes simplicity versus reality this example is highly simplified. Real-world module bundlers are much more complex. Purpose the purpose of this exercise is to understand the core concepts, not to create a production-ready bundler. Alternatives consider using existing bundlers like webpack, parcel, or rollup for real-world projects. They are highly optimized and provide a wide range of features. By walking through this simplified implementation, you should have a better understanding of how module bundlers work under the hood and the challenges they address. Remember to experiment and modify the code to explore different aspects of module bundling.